Hello everyone, Yvonne Marie here and welcome to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. So I am going to make this cute dog card with you today, and it's called Adopt Don't Shop Dogs. And it's so cute and I love all the sentiments, and I stamped and heat embossed it on some Express It cardstock. And I'm just using some Copic markers and I have them listed. I also will have them in the description down below, and it's just some simple coloring, and I actually googled some of these dogs. So I googled a Shaggy, a Chihuahua, a French Bulldog, a weenie Dachshund Dog. So just because I wasn't sure how to color them, and because there's so many of them, I didn't want them all the same color. So I am so happy I found so many different photos on Google, so thank you, Google. But it's so funny because I do have a throw pillow in my craft room on a chair behind me, and it has so many different dogs on it, and they're colored in a fun way where it's just like a burst of one color on each dog. And so that would have been a fun way to color them also, so I might have to do that another time. And so I am just coloring in this Chihuahua here, and I'm just using some brown markers, and then I will be coloring in the other ones. And I love this stamp set, Adopt Don't Shop Dogs, because you can do a birthday card, or there's some fun puns on here as well. You have Woof, you had me at Woof, or you have this one's funny, Happy Birthday from the Muttley Crew. I love that one. So, and there's paw prints, and then if someone gets a new dog, there's congrats on your new fur baby. So I love that as well. And I also love the Rainbow Bridge die set that we will be using for this card, because you have paw print stamps that you can use from the stamp set, or you can use the paw print dies that come with the die set. So lots of options there. And if you didn't want to color these dogs, it would be really fun if you stamped them in brown ink, gray ink, brown, black ink, and just put them on a card. That would be great. Or you can even be fun and color them in rainbow colors. So I love that there's different options with these dogs here. And I was coloring this one in with like a black face in mind, and black ears and paws. I had seen a Google picture. I'm not sure I succeeded, but I think it's fun that it's a little different. And so that is my idea for that dog. I do have a dog. I do love dogs. I've had my dog for about 14 years, so she's kind of getting up there. She has white, white fur, different parts of her face, and so she's getting older. But she's fun. She still acts like a baby, even though, we've had her for 14 years. So, but really fun. She's been a part of our family, so I love that. There are cat stamp sets as well, so you can also use that with the Rainbow Bridge die set. Any animals that have paws, which is amazing, so a great die set to own. And I'm just coloring this. I'm just coloring this Bulldog like a chocolate color. I seen a photo, and so I wanted to do that. All their tongues and cheeks, I believe, are R21. And then I'm just coloring in this last dog like a black, using some Copic cool markers, cool gray markers. I couldn't think of it. And And then I am adding some white gel pen accents. And then I will fussy cut it out with my scissors. Really easy to do. And so I'm just going around with leaving a white border. And then I will use 3 of those rectangles from this set, and I'm going to be using the 2 paw prints there. One is a layering. I mean, you have 2 sets of layering, so with those paw prints, which I love. So I'm using craft cardstock, and you get all those paw prints, which I popped them all out, and then I used the It's Cloudy stencil, and then I used green Mowed Lawn, and then for my blue there, let me see, I used Peacock feathers, Distress Oxide, and I cut out the Cutie ABCs, the Woof, with black cardstock. So, and then I had a mistake with my word, which is that F there. I cut it out wrong, and so I'm gonna have to fix that after. I did glue it to my card, but I had to fix it at the end. And then I have an exclamation mark as well. And the only things popped up will be my sentiment that says "You had me at," which I stamped and heat embossed it and added that foam tape, and it's a fishtail banner. And then I pop up the rectangle here with foam tape. And so sorry for the glare and my sun coming in. And so next I am just going to take the release paper off this foam tape in just a second, and see if it gets a little brighter in my room. And so I have a black A2 card base as well, so here is where it got a little brighter, so yay. The weather these days is so unpredictable. I get cloudy some days, so, and just adding some liquid glue, and then I will add that panel, and then I will add those 3 paw prints to the right there. And I think it would be great if you did a shaker card as well using those paw prints. So fun. And so, and then after I put those on, I'm going to fix that F and put it the right way. Thankfully, I did not ruin my card doing that. I was very careful. And I did have my eraser just in case. And so yay, so now it says "You had me at Woof." I did add some white gel pen accents to that F and all my letters there, and that finishes this card. So yay, thank you for joining me, and here is a close-up, and I will be back soon with another card video.